my stupid heart. Don't know, I tried to let you go so many times before. Then when I got back and told my stupid heart, too late, already on my way. If you boys like peanut butter?
The little bed was for my daughter's doll. Stretchies.
When you're funky.
El día que llegó Arturo, esta fue la reacción de Teresa. No le quitaba el ojo de encima. Le pusimos a Arturo todas sus cosas en el baño. El vidrio que los separaba era perfecto para que Teresa lo conociera sin poder hacerle daño. Poco a poco dejamos que se conocieran fuera del baño. Teresa sentía mucha curiosidad, pero no se acercaba del todo. Él era muy pequeño y tenía miedo. Estábamos muy nerviosos, pero dejamos que Teresa se acercara. Ellos no podían sentir nuestros nervios. Ella le enseñaba quién mandaba en la casa. Y él solo la esquivaba. Ella cada vez estaba más confiada. Así que decidimos sacar a Arturo del baño para que durmiera con nosotros. Esta fue su primera noche. Él se le acercó. Y ella se dejó. Empezaron a jugar más brusco. Y él la molestaba. Él siempre quería estar con ella. No la dejaba en paz. Él la veía como su mamá. Le buscaba leche y ella se dejaba. Eran inseparables. Ella lo cuidaba como un hijo. El proceso de socialización es lento, pero vale la pena.
I don't know what you heard about me.
Hey, no, you're chicken. No, you're chicken. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. Stop. Attenzione pickpocket! Attenzione borseggiatrici! Pickpocket!
See you, man. Good hanging out, brother.
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again.
Kai.
No.
Come.
No.
Get down. Stop. Stop.
That's nothing. At the end. Vur bakayım.
Nala, are you doing dishes? I hope so. Good job! Why are you the way that you are? Go get the ball. Go get the ball. You were a retriever.
If anyone needs this to burn on an ex's front doorstep, just let Denali know. This is Denali, and he's a Bernedoodle, and he's a very big Bernedoodle at that. With these doodles, you never really know what you're gonna get. I've seen super small Bernedoodles, and then I've seen Denali. Denali is a very anxious dog. Every time I would go up to him, he would pee. He peed in my crock 3 times. But the icing on the cake was when he rolled in it, and then took a 7-foot man-sized dookie on the floor. And it's just like, what did I do to deserve this, Denali? If I sound salty, I am just a little bit, but it's part of the job, so it's fine. This is the first time I've groomed Denali, and sometimes you'll get dogs that are just very anxious, and no matter what you do, they're gonna be anxious. Some dogs just find the experience more stressful than other dogs, and so it takes a process for them to get more used to it. I did the best I could with his haircut because he is anxious, and I don't want him to be on the table for so long, and neither does he. Denali gave an eventful farewell as I contemplated everything we just went through. Bye, Denali.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no. Stop being ratchet.
Kiss. Can I have a kiss?
Hoş geldin.
Sorry. I apologize. I always forget my place.
Sit.
Normalize you not touching my charger. Stop. Agora tá pegando.
A mamãe tá fazendo brincadeirinha. Cadê o neném?
What the hell? I'm trying to circle us. Then we'll get around here and then no. What the dog want? What the f?
Let our God go through. No, let our God go through. No, he's our God.
I don't care.
Okay, just. Oh no!
Say yeah!
You're wondering why she's wrapped up in a towel right now. It's because I just washed her the other day, and I just went outside and it's been raining and she was in a mud puddle. So I had to wash her off. She's still dirty, but I'm trying to let her dry off in here. And my voice is loud and she just falls asleep to it. Even if I'm talking to her, she'll just fall asleep. Like, I don't know if she's ignoring me or what the deal is, but she's sound asleep while I'm talking.
My mom has been telling me that my fans are worried that I'll slip onto the rocks. I'm going to walk extra careful so you don't worry about me. See how careful I am? That was no fun, Mom. I'm off to do dangerous Jack Russell shit.
I didn't tell my BF how big our new cat is going to be. Here is his reaction.
He's cute.
Okay, well, I have something to tell you.
What?
Do you know what type of cat he is?
There's types of cats.
No. He's a Maine Coon.
Sweet.
He's a Maine Coon.
Okay.
Have you ever heard of them?
No.
Okay, well, this is gonna be him when he grows up. He's gonna be like 30 pounds.
I'm 5'5".
And so will he.
He's gonna be bigger. We're bringing him back.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
He's so cute. Look
He's
at him.
going to eat us.
No, he's a good boy. Look at
This
him.
isn't a turn to that. That's a Whopper Junior. No, that's a Whopper Senior.
This is Whopper Jr.
No, we're bringing him back.
No.
Oh.